Hello and welcome. Today we are going to create a cinematic text intro by using CapCut PC. First of all, head over to the library and add a white background video to the timeline. Then create a freeze frame and delete the video. After this, stretch this freeze frame to the 6 seconds mark. Now add another video to the timeline and place a white background on it. Delete the unwanted part of the first video. Now add a text and stretch it to the 6 seconds mark. Hide the white background first, then type your desired text and customize it. Increase its scale to around 300%. Then turn off the uniform scale and increase the scale height to around 500%. Then change the color of the text, should be green. Select the text and head over to Animation and Tab. Choose Type 1 and set its duration to 1.6 seconds. Unhide the white background. Select the white background and text and create a compound clip. After this, head over to the Video tab. Choose Remove BG and use the Chroma Key option for the removal of green color. Increase its intensity and see the result. Now set the playhead to the 2-second mark and duplicate the text layer. Select the second and third layers and split them from the 2S mark. Now select the bottom text layer and head over to the mask section and apply a split mask. Then select the upper layer and apply the split mask again. Rotate this mask to -180 degrees. After this, select the bottom layer and head over to the Basic tab and add a first keyframe at the position. Then move the playhead to the 5 seconds mark and type 1080 in the Y position box and press Enter. The keyframe will be created automatically. Now repeat this process for the upper layer. At this time, you will type -1080 in the Y position box. Preview it and analyze your editing. Afterwards, change the background video. Resize the background video and check the results. Now delete all the keyframes and reset the animation you have added to the text. Now we are going to repeat the previous process for animating the text, but this time we will change the position of X. Select the upper layer and head over to the Video Basic tab and apply the initial keyframe at the X position. After this move, the playhead to the 5 seconds mark and type 3900 in the X box. Do the same thing for the bottom layer. For bottom layer, type -3900 in the X position. Now play and see what you have done. Let's create another animation of a cinematic text intro. Add the video to the timeline and resize it. Then add a text and stretch it to the 6 seconds mark. Type your desired text and customize it. Add some space between characters and increase its scale. Now head over to the Animation In tab and apply Type 2 Animation and set its duration to 2 seconds. After this, create a compound clip and duplicate it twice. Hide the upper 2 layers. Select the first layer and head over to Blend Options and choose the overlay. Then select the background video and set its opacity to around 55%. Now select the first text layer and head over to the Mask options and apply a rectangle mask for it. Unhide the second text layer and apply a split mask. Show only the first 2 characters for it. Unhide the third text layer and apply a split mask. Show the last 2 characters for it. And there you have it. Your support means everything. Hit that like button, let me know your thoughts in the comments, share this with someone who'd find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video.